Hey lovelies, it's story time today. Yeah, this story is for my in-laws. So, my husband and I have been married for 5 years now, and for the past 5 years, we've been living together happily. But there are some things I do not like about him. Like, my husband is an introvert, and I like exploring. I'm an extrovert. Yeah, so most of the times when he comes back from work, he doesn't even take me out. Oh God, I'm tired of this relationship. But that's not the fact. The main thing is I'm I'm not like he's not my kind of man. He doesn't do things that I want to do. I've tried severally to change him to, do the things I like, maybe change his ways and let him, learn, adapt to something new. But he's just so close, so glued to things that are of these old fashioned things, old school things, and it's making me go crazy. And I'm beginning to fall out in love with him. So I don't know. I've tried. He doesn't bait. There's basically many things that he doesn't do. And I'm like, I've tried to change
Because
this
they
man.
say you can change someone to do the things you like. You can change a person. But in my own case, it's not even working. It's not coming forth like that. So I've tried talk to him as though I'm talking to my child, but he doesn't listen. I'm so tired of the relationship. I'm fed up of the marriage. I just want out. I want to leave. I want to leave this man because basically he doesn't, and moreover, the communication is dead. He doesn't even do anything that I like. He doesn't do things that pleases me. I'm like, I just want out of the marriage. I am tired. I do not know what to do at this time. I'm frustrated. Everything about him irritates me. I'm so confused. And we've been married for 5 years, like I said. We did a long distance relationship. If you are trying to ask where if you're not in a relationship with him, yeah, the few times I came to visit him, oh, it was just this lover boy. He takes me out. He does those things, like, basically the things that you want your man to do for you. And he baits. As soon as he comes back from work, then he baits. He baits. He comes home with gift. But now I don't see any gift. I'm tired. I'm fed up of the marriage. I do not know what to do at this time. And also, he is not there emotionally. He makes me feel less and think more, like I'm being drained emotionally because
I'll
of
be
this
in the
man.
comment section. Please, I want an honest advice because I'm really